Welcome to Praket Consultancy Private Limited. If you are a first time viewer, please subscribe to our channel for the latest videos and like it and share it. While 2021 was a year of reinventing HR and solidifying its new role, 2022 is going to be all about pushing the boundaries of how HR can add value. Nothing has changed more in the past 2 years than the way we work and companies operate, and that no other business department has been under more pressure to keep up with this fast pace of change than human resources. It is even more crucial to be aware of the HR trends of 2022 and understand how to leverage them to drive change and add more business value in 2022 and beyond. In previous video, we have discussed the 5 trends among the 10 trends of 2022. Now, in this video, we will discuss the remaining 5 trends of 2022. The sixth trend is the shift from people analytics to data literacy. Today's date, data has become new currency, that is, the focus is on data. The shift to remote work caused by the pandemic meant employers had to increasingly rely on tools to gauge how engaged and productive employees were, and by extension turn to data insights for direction. Data is the new currency when it comes to the workforce, and as long as HR retains that human touch, the advent of data should not scare any HR practitioner. Data provides understanding of three pivotal areas. It shows how successful HR practices are in adding value at the strategic or business level. Data allows HR to identify ways to enhance practices and employee experience. It enables HR to show how its various functions align with related strategies and commercial demands. People analytics is not going to go away, and it will be an integral part of the way that all HR functions operate over the next few years. People analytics has made a tremendous impact on the way we manage people in the last 5 years. However, while organizations were mostly looking for people analytics expertise only a couple of years ago, this has now shifted. Increasingly, businesses realize that they need more to effectively implement people analytics in their organization. One of the key bottlenecks is general data literacy among the wider HR professionals. For example, HR business partners need a better understanding of the data to effectively implement people analytics findings in their organizations. HR managers need to be able to assess dashboards and retrieve relevant data to give better advice. Also, HR analytics will be more effective when supporting their analysis with business and financial data. That is not to say that HR professionals will need to become experts in data collection, something that is nowadays done through technology and automation or data analysis, with most companies already having strong data analytics teams sitting outside of HR. The added value of HR professionals is in translating analytical outcomes and insights into actions, so data is put to good use. The data analysis influences decision making. With people analytics, HR and leaders can make informed decisions with more confidence. Ensure that there is a culture of continuous listening. Transparent communications and getting organizations wide buying for continuous listening is a way to reap the benefits from your people analytics investment. The seventh trend is employee mental health. One of the most intense impacts of the pandemic has been its effect on mental health of the employees. That is depression, symptoms, work burnout, and emotionally drained from their work. It is no surprise that the stress and uncertainty have taken a toll. All organizations jumbled to react to a crisis that was beyond their control. It drives well-being forward as a factor that could not be ignored. More than 90% of employers will offer telemental health. The number of organizations providing mental health resources will climb from 69% in 2020 to 88% in 2021. Cost for mental health services will be waived or reduced in 54% of companies. The eighth trend is new productivity KPIs will be needed to assess employee performance. In 2022, HR and business leaders need to consider productivity measures better suited to new work and remote hybrid working. Collaboration, communication, positive work-life behavior, and coaching mindset might be better indicators of performance. A closed-loop model for performance review is to be adopted to comprise feedback, collaboration, and compensation. An anonymous new matrix has to be used to combat the risk of bias, and increase the reliability of performance ratings. The ninth trend is HR delivers value through an outside-in approach. HR impacting business success through an outside-in approach. The outside-in wave moves from value creation to value delivery when HR customers are not just employers, leaders, or business strategists inside the organization, but also stakeholders such as customers, investors, and communities outside the company. HR value delivery is captured when HR analytics are not about activities with scorecards, dashboards, and insights, but about the impact of HR activities on key stakeholders. This HR contribution extends three core areas: talent, organization, and leadership. These areas are not new, however, they have become even more critical in responding to current challenges and discovering future opportunities. Talent. Talent related efforts can evolve to be viewed outside in to respond to changing times by ensuring that the right competence are those that deliver customer and investor value and by linking employee experience to customer experience. Organization. The capabilities of an organization have 4 times the impact on business results than the competence of individuals. For example, teams with individuals who work well together as a team will outperform a team of individuals all stars that don't work well together. Leadership. Employees often mimic what their leaders do, and organization capabilities often reflect leaders' personalities. In the current uncertain world, it is more important than ever to ensure that the right leadership exists to create value for customers and investors. The 10th trend is HR offers guidance to drive success. Guidance is less about what is done and more about what should be done. Thinking about in actions in organizations for being descriptive to perspective. The desired outcomes are related to 4 spheres that are critical to business success: talent, organization, leadership, and human resources. Once desired outcomes are expressed, make choices about how to best reach the outcomes. The circumstances from 2020 and 2021, including pandemic demands, economic difficulty, and social unrest, have given rise to the need of innovation. Guidance helps identify the best solution based on empirical data. Technology has enabled digital information that moves from descriptive dashboards and scorecards to insights based on big data to guidance to determine which activities provide specific outcomes. Now, let us summarize the videos of part 1 and part 2. This wraps up our list of 10 trends for 2022. The field of human resource management is changing faster than ever, and we are having a front row seat to one of the most fascinating transformations in business. This is an exciting time to be working in the HR function, with challenges abound. Never before has HR played a more critical role in helping organizations remain competitive. Whether it is through driving better collaboration in the new era of work, facilitating better career experience, creating internet marketplaces to ease the pressure caused by talent shortages, owning business transformation, or delivering inclusive and purpose-driven organizations to provide equitable benefits. HR will be part of the solution too and will remain at the forefront of all important business challenges of next year. Without a proactive and future-proof HR, companies will stagnate. That's why HR professionals need to build on their success in 2021 and push the boundaries of the possible in 2022 to bring even more added value to their businesses. If you like this video, please like it and share it and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.